untie. And that. Just for the sake of efficiency of motion, it'd be nice to just lay out 100 or so of these. Once you've got a nice stack, then come back, tie a knot at the end, just in and through. Don't have to pull it tight at all, just needs to be close to the end of the band. And then we stack these for assembly. Take one frame, one knotted tourniquet, slide the tourniquet into the tab at the back with the knot on the upper side of the tourniquet, or the upper side of the frame. Slide the other one in, pull tight, that goes down. Now, to assemble the shield onto the frame, grab one headgear with the tourniquet pointing down, the shield pointing down with the holes at the top, connect an outside tab to a hole, listen for the click, click, pull, click. That last tab, you should have to pull just slightly to get it to fit, and then it will snap into place and be taut. That's a completed shield. Stack shields in groups of 10.